Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add oil to your Volvo S60. First, let's prioritize safety and preparation. Always park your vehicle on a completely level surface to ensure you get an accurate oil level reading. It's also crucial to let your engine cool down for at least 15 minutes. This prevents burns and allows the oil to settle properly. Have your new oil, a funnel, and a clean rag ready to go. Now let's check your current oil level. Find the dipstick, which is typically yellow or orange and located near the engine block. Carefully pull it out, wipe it completely clean with your rag, and then reinsert it all the way back in. Remove it once more to read the oil level. The oil should fall between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick for an optimal reading. If your oil level is low, it's time to add some. Locate the oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol, and remove it. Using your funnel, slowly pour in the correct type of engine oil. It's best to add a small amount at a time, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 of a quart. This prevents overfilling, which can be just as problematic as having too little oil. After adding oil, wait a few minutes for it to settle into the oil pan. Then, repeat the dipstick check process. Continue adding small increments of oil, waiting between each addition, until the level sits perfectly between the minimum and maximum marks. Remember, regularly checking your oil every 1,000 miles or once a month helps maintain your engine's health and longevity. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.